Have you struggled to find the right eyebrow color for you? Are they too dark or too blonde? But you're redhead? Guess what? There is a eyebrow pencil made specifically for us. Yes, that is right. How to be a redhead, they have come out with some eyebrow products. They did send this over to me complimentary to try out. Thank you so much. This is the Finally Have Brows, the Ultra Fine Redhead Pencil. So that is one product. There's the Long Lasting Eyebrow Gel, the Gel in Clear, and then the Volumizing Eyebrow Gel. These are all cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, and clean. So let's start with the Ultra Fine Redhead Pencil. Again, this is a universal shade, and it retails for $30 for 0.05 ounces or 1.4 milliliters. Is made in Germany. A spoolie on one end, and then the brow pencil on the other end. Just gonna brush my brows up. What do you think? I think that looks good. Very lightweight. Easy peasy. So this again is the Finally Have Brows Ultra Fine Redhead Pencil. I like it. Next product we're trying out, this is Finally Have Brows Volumizing Eyebrow Gel in Universal Red. So here is what the packaging looks like. And it is a small, kind of fluffy brush. So just going to use the spoolie from the eyebrow pencil just to kind of brush everything first. If I just swatch the color, it's kind of hard, but that is what it looks like. Very easy to apply. I don't get no scent. Let me pause for a moment, and so you can see the difference. This side has it on, and this brow does not. Very easy. I can feel like I have a little bit of something on. It's not as, like usually how you can feel if you have a gel on. It's lighter than that, but I do feel like there's something there. A little bit more than how you feel a brow pencil, but not as much as a gel, if that makes sense. Get the brows, so yeah, you could fluff it up like that if you want, and then that gives you that fluffier eyebrow effect. Here is how the Finally Have Brows Volumizing Eyebrow Gel in Universal Red looks, and I will put up a picture when I use the eyebrow pencil so you can see the difference between those two. I have the same eyeshadow shades on, different day, but I use the same palette. My eyebrows are very stubborn and usually hard to keep an arch, but I feel like it's still staying curved, got some arch to it. They're not, I can't feel like I have anything on, they're not crusty or anything like that. Here is how they are looking. Just wanted to let you know that this one is definitely staying put for arches, even if you have stubborn eyebrows. Did you know, on average, redheads have less strands than the other color of hair? On average, a redhead has 90,000 strands on their head. Blondes typically have 110,000, and brunettes 140,000 strands. It's pretty interesting, huh? This is the Finally Have Brows Long Lasting Eyebrow Gel. So I have, one is in the universal red color and one is clear. So they both look the same. They have the name on here, and then on the bottom is, you have your shade names. So I thought I'd do one brow with the color and one with the clear, just so that you can see the difference. I'm going to take the spoolie off of the eyebrow pencil just to shape them first. Here is what it looks like. It is a very small, kind of like a mini spoolie with color on it. I don't even feel like I'm putting anything on. I mean, I see that I am, but I guess I'm used to brow gels. Usually I feel like you can feel it, but the brush is like really small, so I like that. There is with the color, and again, I don't feel like I've put anything on. I mean, I can barely feel like that I have some product on, but barely. All right, let's see what the clear. Again, it is the same brush style. You know what I mean, how sometimes the brow gel, like you can really feel it going on. That is not like that. Like I can see that it's doing something and that there's product on my brows and it's giving it shape. Nice. I really like that. I think I got a little bit too much of the color above my brow. Can you see that? So if you're not used to, what did I just do with it? You might want to practice a little bit with that one. I feel like all the other ones, there's no practice needed, but I'm just going to wipe this off above here because I feel like I just kind of got it a little too high. This one has the color. This is clear. Finally, have Brow's Eyebrow Gel. My thoughts on all of the products. If you are have stubborn brows that like to just be straight across and don't keep an arch, you have struggle with that one, and you want to pick one of these products, I would say the Volumizing Eyebrow Gel. For me personally, it seemed like this one kept my shape the longest, the one that has that. If you like eyebrow gels that you've used in the past, but you don't like how they feel on, you need to try out this eyebrow gel. I cannot believe, I know I have product on there, but it doesn't feel like I have anything on. Like nothing, no crunchiness, nothing. So I like those two. Well, I like everything, but yeah, I would say that if you're looking for that fluffy brow, holds the curve. The eyebrow brush is the eyebrow. I really like the spoolie on this one, and super, super lightweight. I think that you can't go wrong. This is going to be, if you don't want to try them all, this has got to be personal preference for which one, which one you prefer. Are you going to try one of these? Let me know, because I'm nosy and I want to know. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I hope that you'll hit that subscribe button.